All right, Andrew again. Kind of a part 2 of this oil filter situation. Another truck right next to the original one. This one also too tight. A little bit of an extension here. Let's see what we got. Oh man, look at I'm pushing on that thing pretty good. Bust out the old trusty hammer again. Here we go. We got it loose now. I'm going to show you a problem. Another problem that I didn't address previously with these friggin' oil filters, and it's twofold. Get this out of here. One, real quick, look in here. Don't use any of this crap, right? Check this out. Down here. Put in the box, show you the factory oil filter. You're gonna get a gasket, a little gasket, one of these drain tubes to like drain the oil filter housing. Don't do any of that crap. Just get it loose. Let it splash, drop that off, pull that off, get a new one. Should have oil all over your hands. Run a little bit of oil on it. Make sure that joker is seated in there with some oil. New filter. Start this thing by hand. Here's the issue with these plastic ones. With the old metal style, you could run this in all the way by hand. The biggest problem with these friggin' tools is the fact that you have to use them to reinstall this. Also, this thing is a 1/2-inch drive. I've got it converted to a 3/8 drive. Don't go putting a 1/2-inch drive ratchet on these kind of things. You'll either break it or over tighten it. So we're gonna tighten. Watch this, guys. See if you can see this gap in here. We're just tightening this thing up. Feel it. Stops. That's it. As soon as it stops, take it off. This thing will not come loose. I'm of the opinion the torque specifications are there to keep people from over tightening stuff. People do not have a problem of habitually under tightening something. Generally, if something backs all the way out and falls out of the car, it was never tightened down. Somebody just started it and left it alone. So I like to think of the bolt, the nut, fastener, and oil filter is either off or it's tight. I never start it and leave it there. And with these things, as soon as it stops, let go. It's not like tighten it till it stops and then put a little, you don't need a torque adapter, none of that crap. Just stop and it'll come back off. The next guy will thank you. Appreciate it.